All right, a new cryptocurrency called Symbol from NEM is about to launch very, very soon. And in today's video, in 8 minutes or less, I'm going to clue you in on exactly what Symbol is and why it matters to you. Welcome back, everybody, to Altcoin Daily, where you subscribe for a video on cryptocurrency every day. My name's Austin. We're talking about interoperability as well as enterprise adoption, the growth we've been seeing in Asian as well as European markets, partnerships in the United States, and how you can claim your free symbol if you hold NEM before March 12th and then choose to opt in. So let's jump in. And the one thing I do want to preface with is because our channel is growing so fast, so big, I'm able to have direct communication with a lot of these high cap cryptocurrencies. So in today's video, we have partnered with them so I can bring you the most accurate information possible. Because this symbol launch is a big deal in cryptocurrency, and I want you to know first. So that being said, the first question we have to answer is, what is Symbol? Symbol from NEM is aiming to be the next generation enterprise-grade blockchain platform. So it is a proof-of-stake public blockchain, and the coin XYM is the native currency for the Symbol platform used for transactions on the network. Okay, I like it. I'm listening. But how is Symbol interoperable? What are the features? Symbol from NEM is built to be interoperable, meaning it supports public/private hybrid models, trustless cross-chain swaps, and its application programming interfaces, APIs, easily integrate with existing systems and processes. And why is interoperability significant? How does it benefit me? Atomic cross-chain swaps will enable trustless data and value flow across multiple different blockchains, eliminating the need for intermediaries. It also permits the creation of specialized digital assets, going beyond tokens to represent shares of stock, signatures, votes, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or other currencies. So to put this into perspective, obviously we know that Polkadot, soon to be Cardano, Cosmos are major players in interoperability, and NEM, who, like I said, has a huge grassroots following in Asia, is launching into interoperability with Symbol. Only NEM is really tailoring it to enterprise adoption. First, let's touch on NFTs. Would NFTs benefit with something like Symbol? Well, with a chain that allows trustless atomic swaps on multiple different blockchains, having a DeFi NFT marketplace on a blockchain like Symbol would have drastically reduced fees compared to Ethereum. That's the goal here. Let's keep going. What else does Symbol offer? Well, each asset that would be built on Symbol has configurable properties and a unique identifier and can enforce logic-based account or asset-based restrictions at a protocol level. And unless you're a programmer, which I'm not, I know that can sound a bit confusing, but an example of why features like this matter to you. Well, Symbol is meant to work with enterprises. And also, my understanding is that when Symbol was being developed, there was a specific mandate for it to be able to facilitate STOs, security token offerings, in a manner that's approved by regulators. Or in other words, these features hold huge potential in the new economy movement, in particular for the decentralized finance, regulated assets, and security token offering spaces. And Symbol right now is already integrated with Propine, which is a regulated issuance and custody platform for security tokens. So again, this hasn't launched yet, but I would suspect we would see a lot of STOs as well as DeFi launch off of Symbol in the future, which is cool. But now NEM and Symbol are two different blockchains working in tandem with each other. With the public launch of Symbol, the NEM project now comprises two chains. One with the 6-year-old project NEM NIS1, that's the NEM cryptocurrency you know now, as well as Symbol from NEM advances the state-of-the-art security features of its first proof-of-stake blockchain, which was the first blockchain to introduce on-chain multi-signature accounts. So I like this because I do want to clear this up. NEM, the original blockchain, isn't going away. They'll run in tandem, and NEM will very much be a part of Symbol's future. So next piece of news, let's talk about NEM's adoption overseas. NEM, the company, has just appointed Naiki Sangyo Kokokusha, which is a company for marketing in Japan. And this is a pretty big marketing company. NEM is delighted to announce that NSK, part of the Nikkei group, will work with NEM in Japan to build the NEM brand and support the launch of Symbol. The focus is on building awareness and understanding of NEM and Symbol amongst enterprise audiences in Japan in 2021, as NEM looks to drive mainstream enterprise adoption of blockchain around the world. To me, I wish more cryptocurrency companies would do this. I think this is bullish for adoption. And why this company was selected. NSK was selected as the team had good experience in tech and B2B marketing and demonstrated a real understanding of NEM's brand challenges in Japan and how to tackle them from a marketing standpoint. NSK will provide support across a full range of marketing activity from digital, PR, events, online, and content marketing. The initial focus will be on NEM's participation at the FinSum event in March of this year. Very interesting. And this brings me to my next point. David Shaw, NEM Group CEO, in the newspaper in Japan today, March 10th. He outlines the NEM ecosystem and case studies. It's an important step for the blockchain industry to be represented at FinSum. NEM is representing blockchain, and Symbol can be a leader in Japan. So the growth continues, and CEO of NEM, David Shaw, will be speaking at FinSum. So give me your thoughts down below in the comment section. I think that's cool. I think that's awesome for adoption, a cryptocurrency company getting to speak at these financial summits like this in 2021. Now, before we finish off with Symbol, just refreshing how you can opt in if you hold NEM, which is ZEM, before March 12th. The one thing I'll say is that this cryptocurrency market in general in 2021 is largely institutionally driven. And as of a few days ago, this was a very interesting partnership. We're delighted to announce that we're working with Staked_US. So this is a company that provides staking and DeFi infrastructure for institutional clientele in the US. You may have heard of them. They do provide staking services to some of the largest institutional clientele that I know, the Winklevoss twins, Consensus, Pantera Capital. So this is a major get. And now expanding to ZEM and ZIM, which is NEM and Symbol, expanding staking access to institutions, exchanges, and high net worth individuals in the US. Staked provides secure, reliable, and non-custodial infrastructure to earn rewards for their customers. So I like this, and let me share with you why. I think one of the biggest challenges for NEM going forward is gaining their market share in the US, because they are way bigger in Asia and Europe. And while many of the top cryptocurrency projects today wish they could get into that market, I think NEM is actively making choices to pursue the US market, and this directly affects that. This just lowers the barriers of entry for big money to invest in both ZIM and ZEM without the regulatory headache. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. And to finish up with Symbol, if you want to claim your Symbol tokens, there's two things you have to do. First off, you have to own ZEM before March 12th. While this does get distributed, I believe on March 15th, the snapshot is on March 12th, which right now at the time of recording is about 1 day away. You also have to actively opt in or else you won't get your coins. The easiest way to do this would be to download the NEM desktop wallet or just check out this link, which I'm going to link down below, called NEM Platform Symbol Migration. This walks you through exactly what you'll need to do. And it's interesting because the total supply of NEM is around 9 billion coins. So at most, there will be the exact same amount of Symbol. But as of now, looking at the stats, only around 4 billion coins have opted in. So that's less than 50%. So if those don't get opted in before the cutoff, that means the initial supply of Symbol will be about 50% less than the current supply of NEM. Just something to think about. Make sure you opt in. that is the video. My name's Austin. Give me your thoughts down below. And like always, see you tomorrow.